Syntax error. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Kifayatullah. In the introduction to basics, we will talk about errors in MATLAB today. So broadly, errors in MATLAB can be categorized into two categories: syntax error, semantic error. There is a specific syntax, a specific format for every programming language. Syntax error is an error in the syntax of the program. Syntax error is an error in the format of the program. The good thing is that the programming languages detect such errors, including MATLAB. So MATLAB detects such errors and displays error messages. It informs us about the error. Remember that a program will not compile until all the syntax errors are cleared. A program will not execute until all the syntax errors are corrected. After then the program will execute. Look, two typical examples are using a hash symbol in variable name. We have said earlier that we can only use uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and underscore character in variable name. So if we use a hash symbol, that will be a syntax error. If we use a dot operator, that will be a syntax error. If we begin a variable with number, that will be a syntax error. Other examples include errors in the format of the for loop or errors in the format of the if-else statement. Semantics errors are actually the logical errors. So they are error in the logic of the program, and MATLAB does not detect that error. Any programming language cannot detect a semantic error, a logical error. A logical error produces undesired or unintended output. So if you write a program and MATLAB is not giving you any error message, but your program is not giving you the desired result, your code is not uh, is not giving you what it is meant to do, is not doing what is meant to do, you say that it is a logical error. So a logical error produces undesired result. A typical example is, for example, if we want to swap two values, we have two variables x is equal to 7, y is equal to 10 that are already defined in the MATLAB. Now, what I do is, for example, there is someone who is a beginner level programmer. He writes code x is equal to y and y is equal to x. And then when he finds output, now x is assigned a value of y which is 10. After y is equal to x, y is assigned the value of x which is also 10. So after this command, x will be 10, y will be also 10. He wanted to swap the values, instead he is not getting the desired output. MATLAB is absolutely fine. MATLAB is not displaying any error messages because MATLAB doesn't know what you want to do. It's not clever as human is. So the programmer has made a semantic error. How can we do it in the right way? Well, we will define another variable which is called temporary variable. The temporary variable is assigned a value of x. X is assigned a value of y, and the temporary variable which has which had the initially value of x has now been assigned to y in this third line of code. So now after this, x will be 10, y will be 7, which means that we have swapped values. Now this is a screenshot which shows exactly that. So I have defined x is equal to 7 in the first line of code. I have defined y is equal to 10 in the next line of code. I have done a semantic error intentionally uh, by typing the line of code x is equal to y and then followed by y is equal to x. Now when I type x is equal x and y, I get x is equal to 10, y is equal to 10. The MATLAB does not show any error message, but I am not getting the desired result. I want to swap these values, but instead I am getting values of 10 for both x and y. Now what after I correct this, I assign a value of x is equal to 7, y is equal to 10. I uh, choose a temporary variable, assign it a value of 0. So I write this code. I assign a value of x to the temporary variable, then I assign a value of y to x, and then I assign uh, the value of temporary variable to the y. In this way I get x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 7. Other examples of semantic errors include writing the formulas wrongly. For example, if you are told to find the kinetic energy of the system, you are given mass and velocity, and you write the formula wrongly. For example, instead of writing half mv square, you write only mv square. So the answer will be not the desired.